Hey everyone, it's Andrea Anderson here from Your Marketing Machines, and I'm here to talk about the workshop DIY DFY, and that is a done for you versus a do-it-yourself website. What's the difference? What are the pitfalls and the challenges that I should be made aware of? So, hence this video is all about understanding, we're helping you to understand whether this is the right kind of workshop for you to be in. So here are a few things I'm going to mention to you. Number one, if you are currently looking at building a website because you don't currently have one and you're wondering whether you should be using Wix, Squarespace, or actually paying somebody to actually build that website for you, great, you should be in this workshop. Number two, if you currently have a website and you're looking to update it and upgrade it and you're wondering whether you should use a free version or whether you should use a paid version, this is a great website, a great workshop for you. And number three, if you're looking at wanting to expand or to change the type of business that you are and therefore looking to want to change the kind of website you've got, this is the right workshop for you. So, somewhere on this page, there's going to be a registration button. Make sure you press it and make sure you register yourself for this workshop. Why? Because me, Andrea Anderson, I'm going to be there and we're going to be having a great conversation talking all about the right kind of website for you. So take care wherever you are and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.